No, 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 no.
So my camera stopped working for ages. It's working now. So back on the program. Drink water, kids. Good for you. So as you can see, I've sort of tried the crimp out already on my hair, but we are gonna do this together. This is what the hair looks like after I've taken off the headband, or the headscarf. So as I was saying before, it does look a bit like, the lace does look a bit like before you've like set it, but when you actually set it in place, it actually melts into your skin. This bit is, I think this bit is a bit light too, so I might just put a bit of makeup on it. But if anything happens like that again, just put, or if you're doing your hair and you see that it's too light, then just put some makeup on it. Not too much, a tad, and use powder if you can, because yeah, then it gets all. But if you do use foundation, because I use foundation under the lace, but if you're gonna do it on top of the lace, use powder. But if you do use foundation on top of the lace because you don't have any powder, then use a little bit, and like, yeah, just a tad. Okay, I'm gonna start styling now.
Bello on the bello.
that is this tutorial done. It was so long getting this done. It was honestly just the longest thing ever, but I done it for you guys. I know it is coming up a bit light on camera here, but I promise you in person it doesn't look like that. And I'm gonna take pictures and literally put them right here with flash so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, this camera, it doesn't do me justice sometimes, so that's why. So this is the end of the video. I actually have never done this before. I've never crimped my hair before. It's the first time, and I didn't expect it to be like this. I thought it would be the bigger plates, but somebody actually bought it for my bridal shower. Danita, thank you very much, girl, I appreciate it. But I didn't realize those were small plates, which is absolutely fine. I actually love it so much. Like, it's giving me like kinky hair vibes, and I've never had hair like this before. And this hair is like, guys, like, it is so long. Like, I'm 5'2" and it comes like right on my waist. And yeah, like, I think it's 24-inch. The frontal is from Chia V Hair. It's a hairstylist. I put her name right here. And the bundles are from House of She, which is another hairstylist. It's her hair company too, and I put her name right here as well. I actually had this hair on my wedding, so this hair is holding up really well. Sometimes it does like tangle and snag, but for the most part it's actually all right. I think it's just the kind of hair that you really need to look after. Like, if you've got hair, and if you know me, I take care of my hair so well. Like, guys, I'm not even playing. Like, I'm standing at the sink for hours washing my hair, and that's how you're gonna get your wigs to last long. I am selling a wig. It is called the Sophia wig. I'm actually gonna put the picture right here, or the video right here for you guys to see. But you need to buy this wig. You need to buy this wig, girl. Like, this wig is beautiful. Like, I love it. It's custom made by me, of course. Lay by Name, my hair company. It's custom made by me. And if you'd like to buy it, I'm actually going to put the link down below so you guys can purchase it if you want to. There's also a discount on it if you are NHS worker, because I love my NHS workers. My mum is a nurse, so I really appreciate you guys, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for risking your lives. God bless you. I pray for you guys every day, honestly. But yes, so if you'd like to purchase the wig and you're a nurse, you work for NHS and you really want to slay, there is a discount. If you like the discount, just contact me and I'll give it to you. Obviously, because I need to see valid ID and all that stuff. But yes, so if you'd like to purchase this wig, then purchase it, be my guest, and yes, I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.